Ndewo everyone! Welcome to lesson 5 of our Igbo language journey. I'm Mercy Chioma, and today we'll be learning how to talk about our family members in Igbo. Let's get started. Let's begin with the people closest to us, our immediate family. Repeat after me. Nna, father. Nne, mother. Nwanne, nwoke, brother. Nwanne, nwanyị, sister. Nwa, child. Nwoke, man. Nwanyị, woman. Ụmụnne, siblings. Let's say them all one more time together. Nna, father. Nne, mother. Nwanne, nwoke, brother. Nwanne nwanyị, sister. Nwa, child. Nwoke, man. Nwanyị, woman. Ụmụnne, siblings. Now, let's talk about extended family members. Nna ochie, grandfather. Nne ochie, grandmother. Dede, uncle, especially your father's or mother's elder brother. Dada, aunt, especially your father's or your mother's elder younger sister. Nwa dedem ma nwa dadam, cousin. Nwunye, wife. Di, husband. These words are very useful when introducing or describing your family. Here are some sample sentences using today's vocabulary. Listen and repeat after me. Nnam bụ nwoke ọma. My father is a good man. Nne m na-esi nri nke ọma. My mother cooks well. Nwanne m nwoke na-agba bọọlụ. My brother plays football. Nne m ochie na-akọrọ m akụkọ. My grandmother tells me stories. Feel free to replace the family member to make your own sentences. Let us do a fun exercise. Match the Igbo words to the English meanings. You can say your answers out loud before I reveal them. Nne, mother. Dede, uncle. Nna ochie, grandfather. Nwanyị, woman. Nwunye, wife. Di, husband. How many did you get right? If you missed any, don't worry. Go back and review the vocabulary slide. Now, let's try a short introduction activity. Repeat after me. Ahambo, Mercy. you can insert your name. My name is Mercy. Nke a bụ nna m. Nke a bụ nne m. Enwere m ụmụnne nwoke abụọ na otu nwanne nwanyị. I have 2 brothers and 1 sister. Now pause and try saying something about your own family using these lines. Let's go over the key vocabulary again. Nna, nne, nwanne, nwunye, di, nna ochie, nne ochie, ụmụnne. For your take-home assignment, try referring to your family members with their equivalent in the Igbo language. It's just for fun and practice. Our Igbo phrase of the day is ezinụlọ bụ ihe dị mkpa, meaning family is important. I hope you remember your family members in Igbo and you use them in conversations. In our next lesson, we'll learn how to describe people, how to say someone is tall, small, beautiful, or kind. Dalu. Thank you for learning with me.